Good morning, students. In last video, we are discussing about the artificial intelligence. In this video, we are continuing with the same topic. As we discussed that artificial intelligence, it means it's a science engineering of the making intelligent machines. So let's continue with some other topics. The next topic is artificial intelligence and neurons. A study of neurons focuses on how human brain works. A lot of research had been done in this direction. This research had made the basis of connectionism neuron-like computing. Each neuron in the brain is a teeny processor, and brain is the big machine composed of millions of these processors. AI focuses on the building an artificial network of neurons. These are some institutes that artificial neural networks. It's a what kind of network? It was established by the MIT in 1954 at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Farley and Clark developed a 128 neuron system which could memorize simple pattern and distinguish one among many. The algorithm was developed in such a way that each neuron was able to hold the information taught to it each neuron was able to hold the information taught to it by computer program. ANN has paved the foundation for machine learning. Next thing is machine learning. Machine learning is the application of artificial intelligence. It enables the computer system to learn from experience without programming it further. This technique is used to make computer do accurate predictions after analyzing the input given to them. Machine learning has two approaches. Supervised machine learning. In this approach, the computer system equipped with a machine learning ability is fed with the inputs and trained with the details about the prediction it is supposed to do. Professionals who operate such computers are generally called data scientists or data analysts. After the prediction, the new findings are stored by the machines for doing any new prediction in future. Unsupervised machine learning and deep learning. In this approach, machine is equipped with neural network capability is fed only with input data but not the desired output details. It uses input data to analyze enormous amount of data in its knowledge base to generate any output it can. Such machines are considered more intelligent and their process of data analysis is called deep learning. After prediction, the output stored by machine to use it for the deep learning to do any future predictions. Next, the application of machine learning. Predictions about weather condition, disease outbreak, success of crop, result of exams, sales, accidents, customer preferences, customer response to the products are some applications of machine learning. Some example of prediction by machine learning equipped computers are: how many students are likely to get distinction in science in next board exam? How many passengers are likely to book flights to a particular vacation destination? What will the food preferences of the customers from the particular region while eating out of home? How many road accidents are likely on a particular highway and how many would possibly die in them? Is there a possibility of a storm and when in particular region? Other applications are face recognition, gene fingerprinting, fingerprints analysis, voice recognition, expert system to consult in various fields like medicine, education, design, constructions, customer service, travel, sales, defense, finance, and banking. Some artificial learning programming language are first one Lisp. This stands for list processing. Next one Java, C++, Prolog, and Python are the programming language which can be used in artificial intelligence application development. While Lisp is the premier and oldest of all these languages, Prolog is the best suited for expert system development and management. Popular AI languages are R. R is the most preferred of all programming languages for artificial intelligence. It is used for effective manipulation and analysis of statistics data. It allows mathematical symbols and formulae to design plot out of available immense data. It has a library of pre-designed programs arranged in packages for developing machine learning algorithm easily and quickly. Python. It is very popular due to its simplicity in usage and being equally powerful as R. Python has all the features which a modern object-oriented programming language should have. It also provides procedure-oriented approach for those who do not wish to use object orientation. It has a variety of data types and data structures for complex data analysis and developing machine learning algorithms. PyBrain is the feature of Python used for machine learning. So these are some programming language that is used to develop intelligent machines. So that's all for today. Thank you.